So here we are, viewers. I'm just going back on the Super Soco. Just went to the road station for a quick break and just testing out the battery range in winter. And so far the power's pretty good. On the way here it was quite good up the hills, and I'll just see how we go on the way back down as well. The temperature now is probably 7 degrees, I think, so it's starting to warm up today. Just let these bikes go past. Don't have that sort of power, unfortunately, not on the Super Soco. I wish I did, but I don't. I've got the throttle fully wound on. This is as fast as it's going to go. Okay, we just on the uphill bit, we're just on the straight here, and then we'll go back down this hill on the other side. We can have a look and see what the temperature is when we get there as well. There's a little sign just on the other side of this tunnel. Here it is, 6 degrees. Not too bad, it's quite warm. Turn left at these set of lights. Straight down this hill, along past the rice fields. The flat roads, this bike is excellent. Definitely, if you live in the city or in an area where you don't have any hills, you could really use this all year round without any trouble at all and worrying about power loss. It's got plenty of power here on the flat roads. According to the battery display, I've got 75% battery left. A bit more than 75%, 80%. It's not too bad. This is a long bit of a straight road around here, slightly downhill. I'll just give it a little bit of throttle here. Very nice along here. It's going really well. Very smooth around the corner. Acceleration out. Let's see how the acceleration goes out of this corner. Yeah, plenty of acceleration. Now we're going up to an uphill section. I've got the throttle flat stick now. The throttle's fully wound on. My pace is usually a lot quicker on my Sur-on EV bike, but this is to be expected on this Super Soco TC Wanderer. There's a lot of bikes in there, 3, 4 bikes. Been off-roading. So I'd just like to say in summary that the Super Soco is quite good in flat roads in winter, there's no doubt about it. Keep your batteries warm, put them in at the last minute before you go, and you'll have really good riding experience in winter, there's no question about it. But batteries are definitely, the lithium ion in the battery definitely is sluggish in winter up hills. But on flat, it's great. So that's it for today in my video, just a quick video just to let you know how it is in winter on these batteries. But thank you for watching, much appreciated, and we'll see you again next time. Bye for now, thank you.